Now, question 11. Use the frequency distribution, which shows the number of American voters in millions according to age, to find the probability, again fraction, that a voter chosen at random is in the 18 to 20-year-old range. 18 to 20-year-old range, the frequency is 5.1. That is the frequency for the range of 18 to 20 years old. So we don't have a total and we need to have a total. So this is going to be 5.1 out of, so we are going to have to find the sum because it's not given to us. So I will be adding 5.1 plus 8.5 plus 23.7 plus 25.4 plus 54.8 plus 28.1. So my total is 145.6 or 60. Okay, so that means that I have to divide 5.1 by 145.6. So 5.1 will be the numerator. Those are the ones in the category that we're finding the probability of. And we are getting 0.035, and we need to make sure that we give them the amount of decimal places that they want. So they want 3 decimal places, so the approximate value is 0.035. And remember, the input can also be 0.035. Okay, it's usually not marked wrong if you do not write that 0 to the left of the decimal point. Okay, next question, number 12. Classify the following statements as an example of classical probability, empirical probability, or subjective probability, and explain your reasoning. According to company records, the probability that a washing machine will need repairs during a 3-year period is 0.06. So this one is empirical. It's based on research or data. That is the answer for that. So let's see. So the stated probability is most likely based on, the stated probability is calculated based on observations from the company records. So make sure you read those carefully. And it's based on company records, like data from the company. Number 13. Classify the following statement as classical, empirical, or subjective probability. The probability that a randomly selected number from 1 to 250 is divisible by 14 is 0.068. So this one is classical. Okay, so this one in here, this is classical. And let's see the answer. And in general, every number from 1 to 250 has equal chance of being selected. That's the winner answer. The next one, 14. So another way of doing this, it will be choosing the 65 or over that is in the table. And that gives you 25.5 out of 156. That answer will give you 0.163. And what they are asking you to find is what is the probability of not being in that range. So therefore, the complement of this will be the one that is not. So 1 minus the decimal form of what it is will give you the answer for what it is not over that age. So notice that these two values are exactly the same. And you need to make sure that you know how to practice complement as much as you can, because there will be questions that you cannot do without using the complement.